The Cilantro Glitch, Soap Detector. For most people, cilantro is a fresh, zesty herb. But for you, it's a biological prank. The moment a single leaf touches your tongue, your brain doesn't think Mexican food. It screams, "Who put fairy in my taco?" The culprit, a tiny genetic glitch called OR6A2. This gene is like a confused security guard in your nose. While everyone else smells freshness, your receptors detect aldehydes, the same chemical compounds used to make Dove soap and dish detergent. Evolutionary anxiety. Your ancestors weren't picky eaters. They were paranoiacs. This gene was once the elite toxin radar. It helped humans avoid eating literal mold, spoiled fats, and poisonous plants. Basically, your body thinks you're trying to survive in a jungle while you're just trying to enjoy a Chipotle bowl. The trade-off. You have the most advanced biological biohazard detector on the planet. The downside? 30% of global cuisine is now pre-flagged as hazardous cleaning product. The rain hunters. Some people don't check the weather app. They are the weather app. While everyone else is looking at the sky, you're sniffing the air like a bloodhound. No clouds, no drops, just that smell. It's Geosmin, a chemical soil bacteria release when they're finally getting a drink. Your nose is a biological freak. You can detect one single drop of Geosmin diluted in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. While everyone else says, "I think it might rain," you're thinking, "Incoming rain. I can smell the bacteria celebrating." Back in the day, you were the VIP of the tribe. You could find water in a desert, smell a dry riverbed waking up, and lead your people to survival as a living water diviner. But in 2026? This superpower is just annoying because the signal doesn't have an off button. Your brain uses the same water found alarm for a damp basement, a wet underground parking lot, or that one old building that smells like a wet cave. Your nose thinks you found a life-saving oasis, but it's just Dave's moldy garage. Chemical radar. Some people don't just smell things, they detect them before they even happen. It's not because they're paying attention, it's because their nose is living in the future. This is hyperosmia, when your brain processes every scent at maximum intensity. It's like having a 4K nose in a 480p world. On the plus side, you're a walking survival radar. You can smell spoiled milk from the next room, catch a gas leak before the sensors do, and in some cases, you can identify illness by body odor alone. You're basically a high-tech medical lab in a hoodie. But the downside, it's a constant sensory assault. To a hyperosmic nose, a splash of perfume in an elevator feels like a chemical attack. Someone's minty gum across the office feels like standing in a snowstorm. And that fabric softener on a stranger's jacket? It doesn't just pass by, it moves into your lungs and starts paying rent. Your nose is stuck in protection mode, scanning for threats 24/7, leaving you with a biological gift that feels like a full-time job. The pregnancy nose. Smell sensitivity doesn't increase only during pregnancy. It can spike in several hormone-driven phases, most often in women. During ovulation, smells can suddenly feel sharper. Before menstruation, shifts in estrogen and progesterone change how odors are processed. Hormonal treatments, including contraception or fertility therapy, can trigger the same effect. Strong stress can amplify smell through cortisol. And during adolescence, hormonal restructuring often makes odors feel overwhelming. The mechanism is the same. Rising hormones amplify olfactory receptors and boost how strongly the brain processes smell. The same odors now send a much louder signal. Then the effects become obvious. Coffee turns hostile, meat smells suspicious. Even your own perfume switches sides. Biologically, this made sense. Heightened smell helped avoid spoiled food, toxins, and pathogens when risk was highest. The nose became a built-in safety system. The cost is overload. Normal smells trigger nausea, dizziness, and appetite loss. The environment stays the same. Only the signal strength changes. This is temporary, a short-term survival mode, not a personality change. No chemistry nose. Some people are chemically blind, not to perfume or sweat, but to the secret silent signals your body broadcasts on autopilot. Think of it as biological Wi-Fi. These signals carry the real data. your immune system's resume, your stress levels, and your hormonal clock. It's all controlled by MHC genes, basically your body's background compatibility check to see if you actually match. But when this channel is dead, you're flying blind. Your brain ignores the biological red flags and focuses on the basics: a nice smile, a cool outfit, a passion for astrology charts. Your nose is silent while your eyes are doing all the heavy lifting. The problem is, mismatches show up later. It's not that they smell bad, it's that being near them feels like a low battery notification. You get hit with random fatigue, mysterious irritability, or a tension you can't explain. Nothing is broken, it's just that your body's compatibility scanner failed to download the most important update. Pork detector. Some people physically cannot eat pork, and no, they aren't being picky. Their nose is just acting like a forensic investigator. The root of the problem is the pig's hormonal signature, Androstenone. It's a steroid compound found in pig fat that basically screams male hormones at the top of its lungs. For everyone else, it's just lunch. But for sensitive noses, androstenone smells like stale sweat or a public restroom. We aren't talking about a subtle hint here. We're talking about your brain locking it in the do not touch zone. This isn't a personal flaw. It's an ancient survival hack. Meat with a high hormonal load used to oxidize faster and turn toxic back in the day. Before refrigerators existed, eating that was a massive gamble. So your nose took a shortcut. Strong hormonal smell equals do not eat. Today, the meat is perfectly safe, but your nose hasn't received the memo. It still votes no. While others are smelling delicious bacon, you're staring at a glowing warning label on a plate. Drop your scent superpower in the comments below. If you learned something new about your biology today, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives.